ISTE has developed a set of 7 standards to help students succeed in navigating the evolving world of technology. Let's take a closer look at these standards, shall we?
First, there is the empowered learner. When students become empowered, they are given the tools and resources to make active, informed choices in their learning. The ability to choose encourages academic and digital literacy by fostering curiosity and discovery. When students use technology to create artifacts demonstrating understanding, they experience more engagement. The autonomy to make decisions and have choices impacts their socio-emotional well-being, and the near limitless knowledge available to them lets students practice digital resourcefulness. Finally, students can use technology to network with resources and other learners from around the world. Once empowered, students become innovative designers by utilizing different technology to essentially run through the scientific method. They begin with an essential question or observation, engage in research, formulate hypotheses, create tests or experiments, analyze the results, and finally report their findings. Collaborative learning can play a huge role in this process by having students work together to foster understanding. Technology such as Google Suite, Zoom, Trello, and even TikTok can help students exchange ideas, discuss scenarios, and create innovative solutions. As students become more engaged and invested in the learning process, they can approach their learning as computational thinkers, using specific methodology to approach problem solving. Decomposition is an important facet to the computational thinking process, allowing students to break down complex problems into more manageable pieces that are not as intimidating to approach. From there, students engage in pattern recognition to formulate connections and identify parallel problems and solutions. By finding patterns in information or results, students can more logically and deliberately approach problems and find solutions. Abstraction also helps with the process of pattern recognition by filtering out irrelevant and unimportant information, allowing students to focus on what is the most necessary to solve the problem or facilitate understanding. From there, students become knowledge constructors, using a variety of technology and digital tools to demonstrate their understanding. Technology allows students to produce a wide range of learning artifacts that encompass a variety of skills, abilities, and interests. Students can create visual artifacts, ranging from simple infographics to videos to advanced 3D models using programs such as Canva, Flipgrid, and Tinkercad. Interactive artifacts, such as those created using Prezi or Pear Deck, allow students to share what they have learned with their peers in a fun and interesting way. Gamification uses programs such as Kahoot or Minecraft to really take learning artifacts to the next level by drawing on the incredible popularity of video games. This wide range of learning artifacts demonstrate that the students have become creative communicators, able to clearly and creatively express themselves. So many options means that students can be more resourceful and deliberate in their choices how to disseminate what they have learned, which in turn has an impact on how they feel about learning as a whole. The next step, naturally, is to become a global collaborator, sharing their knowledge and learning with peers in their own classrooms and around the world. There are a number of global collaborations, such as the World's Largest Lesson and the Global Monster Project, which seek to connect students using technology. Idealistically, these projects bring students together in a way that transcends borders and politics, fueled by a common interest in learning and growing. Of course, society may be a ways off from achieving such transcendence, but global collaboration between students may be the first technologically guided steps. Finally, students find themselves digital citizens, members of a global community invested in technology and education. Of course, with this comes great responsibility. With the guidance of teachers and mentors, students learn the hows and whys of responsible digital behavior and the consequences of technological recklessness. Digital citizenship not only encompasses responsible personal behavior online, but also in the accountability of how technology is used, how it progresses now and in the future. If all of these standards are encouraged and developed in students across all grade levels and subject areas, then students truly will be ready for whatever the future holds.